G'day, I'm Jamie from Anaconda, and I'm here to chat to you about four-wheel drive inverters. If you're looking at adding an inverter to your four-wheel drive setup, you may be wondering if you actually need one. And if so, which one should you get? Well, if you're keen on running any kind of 240 volt appliance when you're out bush, like a coffee machine, air fryer, kettle, or laptop charger, then you're definitely going to need an inverter. The June four-wheel drive inverter range offers a variety of options to power your adventures. So I'll take you through them now and cover the main things to consider: price, battery requirements, and what devices they can power. Let's start with the June 1000 watt Pure Sine Wave Inverter, the most affordable model in the range. It features one AC plug and one USB outlet and has the lowest current draw of them all, coming in at 91 amps. So all June batteries can run this inverter. With 1000 watts of output, it can run things like battery chargers for drones and cameras, or even power tools, laptops, and some small kitchen appliances. Next, let's check out the June 2000 watt Pure Sine Wave Inverter. It's a bit more expensive, but it's got more power, so it's a great middle ground option. You get double the number of AC ports and the same USB outlet. It needs 182 amps of continuous current, so you'll need a bigger battery to power it, like the June 200 amp hour or 300 amp hour lithium batteries. That extra power really opens up some options for camping, like running common kitchen gadgets and personal care items, including air fryers, coffee machines, toasters, kettles, induction cooktops, and hair dryers. It can also run some smaller heaters if you really want to get rid of the gas in your campsite. This one is going to get the job done. Now for the June 3000 watt Pure Sine Wave Inverter. This one is much bigger in size, so it's got the highest price tag. It has two AC outlets and a USB plug. It needs a huge 273 amps of power, so only the June 300 amp hour lithium battery can power it. There are other options, like linking batteries together in parallel, but your best bet is keeping things simple and using the 300 amp hour lithium battery. This inverter will pretty much power anything you can think of, including multiple kitchen appliances like heaters, washing machines, and even some clothes dryers at the same time. Whichever inverter you choose, wiring is really important for safety. The June inverter wiring kit is the right gauge and pre-fused, so it's your best bet. If you get a cable that's too small, you'll get voltage drop and the cables will get really hot. We always recommend using a qualified professional to install your inverter because AC power is dangerous. You can also get a remote for your June inverter. These are sold separately and allow you to wire your inverter in tight spaces and control it remotely. The remote has on and off buttons and shows you how much power you're using. As always with inverters, make a list of the appliances you want to run and match that with your battery and inverter. For example, if you just want to charge devices, the 1000 watt will get the job done. But if you want to cook, you're going to need a bigger inverter. When all said and done, an inverter adds serious flexibility to your setup. Just make sure it's the right size and installed safely, and you'll be living in luxury. When you're ready to add an inverter to your four-wheel drive setup, come see us at your local Anaconda store. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips, gear guides, and adventure inspiration.